Ectoderm, yeah. The corrosion here is extensive. Look at this panel.
We've got severe stress fractures developing right at the rotor connection point. This fuselage is completely compromised. Look at the corrosion here.
Yeah. We'll need a full structural assessment before we even think about moving it.
We need to secure these pods before the wind picks up. Bring the straps over here. Got the connectors loose on this end. Copy that. Pull on the harness through. Watch that metal edge. Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift. Got it, move it over. Easy, easy, set it down. Look at the corrosion on this joint. Yeah, that pitting is significant. We need to document this extensively. Pull that strap tighter. We need more tension on the rear gear. It's tight up here. All secure for the lift. Hold the tension on the left line. Copy that, easing left. Watch the clearance on the tail, bring it forward. How's the rear mount holding up?
Solid.
All right, let's clear the area. Thumbs up to the driver. Hold it right there. Perfect. All right, team, let's get the chains on. Watch your footing. Securing the rear left. This one's seized tight. Stand by. There she goes. Confirmed release. All clear aft. Guide that strap under the fuselage. It's connected up here. All right, Crane, take the tension. Hold the tension on the left line. Easy, easy, bring it right. All right, hold steady there. All right, let's get this ladder up against the fuselage. Careful, it's heavier than it looks. Watch your hands. Okay, easy now. Set it down on the mats. Got it. Man, look at the corrosion here.
Yeah, make a note of that for the report.
Got this one off. It's completely rusted through. Set it down over here with the others. This next one is seized up. All right, lift it slowly. Watch the clearance on that side.
Holding steady. Where do you want this fuselage section?
Bring it right here next to the engine mounts. Heads up on the hoist. Okay, hold it steady. We're clear underneath. Moving to the next section. Keep the tray under me. Right. Moving the tray now. Make sure that brace holds steady. It's locked in, you're good to go.
Did you grab the heavy-duty scrapers?
Yeah, they are right here with the wire brushes. Let's move these containers closer.
All right, move up when you're done with that row. Copy that, moving up now.
Secure that brace before we lift.
All right, hit it with the sealant, make sure it holds.
That's the last coat on the landing gear.
Okay, pull the ladder back. We're clear.
We need to reinforce section gamma before we proceed.
Agreed. The corrosion here is worse than expected.
I've marked the areas we need to address first.